Can you see yourself in the 2023 Hyundai Santa Fe? With less than 5,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. All you need to do is relax and enjoy the ride in this stylish and capable Santa Fe. This midsize crossover delivers confidence and comfort thanks to features like standard driver assistance, a spacious, well-equipped cabin, and standard infotainment tech. Start building your road trip memories. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, heated driver's seat, satellite radio, power liftgate, heated mirrors, backup camera, alarm, aluminum wheels. Get the comfort, features, and style you deserve. This Santa Fe is waiting to take you places. Our team will give you an outstanding test drive experience. Stop in today.